This film supplements the instructions for use and serves to aid understanding. This film is not a substitute for reading and understanding the instructions for use. It is also not a replacement for mandatory instructions or training courses. Not all products, features, or services mentioned in this video are available for sale in all countries. Contact your local Dräger representative for more information. Mentioned trademarks are only registered in certain countries and not necessarily in the country in which this material is released. Go to dräger.com/trademarks to find the current status. In this video, we're demonstrating how to clean and disinfect a Dräger lung demand valve. Appropriate protective clothing should always be worn for this purpose. If the LDV is heavily soiled, for instance after a fire, pre-cleaning should be carried out. This can be done with a brush, a double-sided soft sponge, and/or a lint-free cloth. Disassemble the lung demand valve in the following order: rubber cover, bayonet cap, slip ring, diaphragm. Then slide on the protective cap. Switch off the lung demand valve. Before cleaning, first check the pH value to ensure that the correct dosage has been observed, as per the instructions for use. Pressurize the lung demand valve before starting the cleaning and disinfection process. Clean the individual parts of the lung demand valve with a smooth, lint-free cloth and rinse afterwards. Before disinfection, first check the pH value to ensure that the correct dosage has been observed, as per the instructions for use. If disinfecting in the immersion bath, be sure to observe the maximum immersion time as stated in the instructions for use. Afterwards, rinse off the individual parts of the lung demand valve. Any residual water is dabbed off with a cloth. Then dry the devices either in ambient air or in a drying cabinet at a temperature below 60 degrees Celsius, and observe the drying time for the lung demand valves.